How to make images move in CapCut PC. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, let's go ahead and open CapCut in our PC. Once you have your CapCut open, go ahead and select a photo. Once you do that, drag it right over here. And once you drag it right over here, go ahead and select it, and then go ahead and select video, and then under video select basics, and inside basics you're gonna see transform, and beside transform you'll find this kind of diamond icon. Go ahead and select it. Now as you can see that we have added a keyframe to our photo, so let's go ahead and set it to the starting point. Now you want to go ahead and drag this right over here. Move your photo where you would like to, and as you can see a diamond like icon right over here again. So let's repeat the same process. Change the position of the image, and after you do that you can see diamond like icon again. So repeat the process again, change the position. So once you're done, let's go ahead and see the result. Well, that is simply how you can make your images move on CapCut in your PC. Well, that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.